Have you ever looked at two helmets sitting on the same shelf and wonder why is this one $30 while that one costs $300? After all, they both look like a helmet. They both have a shelf, they both have foam inside, and sometimes they even carry the same safety certification. So what's really going on? Are expensive helmets just a marketing trick? Or are cheap helmets actually unsafe? The answer is more complicated than most riders think. I work behind the scene of a helmet factory that has been building helmets for nearly 20 years. And one of the biggest misconceptions I hear is this: if a helmet costs 10 times more, it must be 10 times safer. Actually, that's not how it works. Let's start with safety. If a helmet passes standards like ECE 22.06 or DOT, it has already met a minimum level of impact protection. That means a certified $30 helmet is not automatically dangerous, and a $300 helmet doesn't make you indestructible. In a crash, both helmets are designed to do the same job: manage impact energy and protect your head. So if safety isn't the whole story, where does the extra money go? The first answer is material. Many entry-level helmets use ABS plastic shell. More expensive helmets may use fiberglass composite, advanced composite material, or carbon fiber. These materials are often lighter, stronger, and more expensive to manufacture. The second answer is engineering. The most riders never see the development process. Before a helmet reaches the market, it may go through dozens of prototypes, multiple impact tests, ventilation study, aerodynamic evaluation, and countless design revisions. Some companies spend years developing a single helmet model. The third answer is comfort, and this is where many premium helmets really separate themselves. Imagine wearing a helmet for 10 minutes. Almost any helmet feels fine. Now imagine wearing it for 6 hours. Suddenly, weight, ventilation, noise level, liner quality, and fit become very important. A premium helmet isn't always dramatically safer, but it often feels dramatically better. And finally, there's the brand itself, not just the logo, but the engineering team, quality control system, testing program, customer support, and year of reputation behind that logo. So the real difference between a $30 helmet and $300 helmet isn't simple safety. It's combination of material, engineering, comfort, development, and brand investment. The next time you are shopping for helmet, don't just ask, how much does it cost? Ask a better question. What am I actually paying for? I'm full. And here at the factory, I will show you what most riders never get to see. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.